I am headed to the airport now. Get to see a lot of new stuff, meet new people, experience different worldviews.
This is my friend Helen, who's helping me pack. Thank you, Helen.
It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and I can't wait to go.
There's a fellow Vandal sitting behind me, also studying abroad. Do you want to introduce yourself just a little?
Yes, my name is Colosiana. I'm a marketing major. I'm meeting other Vandals here to leave for Spain tomorrow.
We are out here in Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. We're out here just doing our thing. Look at this. We're gonna put the camera over there. Beautiful view we got.
I learned really what open-mindedness gets me. Like, you don't want to limit yourself to what norms you may have at home. Like, you just gotta go out there and try all of these new things.
I don't know. I'm just taking videos of something. Thank you. Holy God.
We just went to this market that's right across the street from our hotel. It's fantastic. Someone just honked at us. Loving Prague right now.
Loving Prague right now.
You're soaring back and forth. There we go, like you're swimming.
I'm better for having done this trip because I have this experience now. I feel more ready to go out into the world and tell stories. There's way more to it than Prague, and experiencing all these other cities that we got to go to, even just for a day, was amazing. I'm ready to live more of my life.